Hello, my name is Norisa DJ. So I'm going to explain about the donut chart. So the donut chart, which is a pie chart, which is type of pie chart with a hole in the middle of it, it is useful for showing a proportion of categorical data. So if you see the donut chart, the total sales amount displayed in the center of the chart. So while the segment sales data divided into a three segment, each represented by a different color, by consumer it represented by blue, which is the largest, corporate represented by orange, which is the second largest, and also home office represented by red, that indicates the smallest. So the donut chart effectively illustrates the distribution of a total sales among different customer segmentally. This visualization helps in understanding the relative importance and performance of each customer segment in revenue. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Balkis Muhammad Shawal Izam, BG231600626. So guys, today I would like to explain about GeoMap, which is a visual tool. So a GeoMap visualization presents the distribution of districts across the state, revealing a significant correlation between geographic size and count. So, as we can see on the GeoMap, Texas leads the way and followed by Oklahoma and Colorado. In contrast, states like Columbia, New Hampshire, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho have fewer than 10 counties each. This data implies the importance of tailored solution and resource allocation strategies based on district counts. It provides policymakers and local administrators with valuable insight to make informed decisions about infrastructure development, resource allocation, and governance structure. So guys, that's all from me, and I hope this video can give you all a clear understanding about geomaps. Thank you, bye!
This is a data visualization tree that is scatter plots. Data points are shown on a chart in a scatter plot at the intersection of two metrics. Because scatter plots present all of the data points in one perspective, analyzing the relationship between two numbers is made simple. Every horizontal line or x-axis and every vertical line or y-axis has a separate field. Data points are shown as a dot or symbol on scatter plots along the x and y-axis of a chart with the data using Cartesian coordinates that are presented by numbers. The visuals show a positive correlation between the year of or the date and sale, with the highest sale recorded in 2021. To plot allows for a direct comparison of sales across the 4 years, identifying the years with the highest sales and the year with the lowest sales. The visualization provides a valuable insight for decision making, suggesting the company should focus on strategies contributing to sales growth and inform resource allocation and budgeting for future sales. It also addresses issues related to sales forecasting and budgeting, enabling stakeholders to quickly identify trends and make informed decisions.
Visual 4 is a word cloud. Word cloud is a visual representation of text data where the size of each word indicates its frequency, importance, or value based on the specific measure. In Tableau, word clouds can be used to analyze and present text data in a visually appealing and easy to understand manner. This graphical representation helps identify frequently mentioned words in the dataset, allowing users to quickly spot trends, patterns, and the outliners. To create a word cloud in Tableau, the first step is to import the data, clean, and format your dataset, ensuring it includes relevant text fields or columns. Second step is text organization. Split the text into individual words or phrases. Last step is data aggregation. Group the data to the count word frequency, resulting in an informative and visually appealing word cloud. The colorful wall cloth appears to represent various terms related to the office supplies and their corresponding numerical figures. At the center, the term minus stands out in the bold white font, accompanied by the number of 201,413, suggesting the binders are the significant category within the context of type of this visualization. Surrounding binders, we find other terms such as storage, phones, chairs, and accessories, each displayed in different colors and sizes. This variation indicates varying levels of importance or quantity. For instance, storage is highlighted in the orange font with the figures of 222,844, while font stands out in the purple font with 330,007. Smaller categories include art with the count of 27,119 and a paper with 78,479. The layout and design in the wood cloth emphasize certain elements over others, making it an effective visual representation for data or the inventory analysis.
Hi, I'm Shantini Shanmugam. My matrix number is BG231605332. Today I'm going to explain about Visual 5, which is a gauge chart. A gauge chart is known as a dial chart or speedometer chart. A gauge chart is a type of data visualization that displays a single value within a predefined range, typically represents by a circular dial or gauge. The dial indicates where the value falls within the range, providing a quick and intuitive way to access performance, progress, or any other metrics of interest. Gauge charts are commonly used in a dashboard design, particularly for monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, or displaying metrics such.
Hello, my name is Nur Adila binti Abu Hassan. My matrix number is BG2311025. I will present about tree map. Data visualization tool used to display hierarchical data using nested rectangles. It is particularly useful for visualizing large amount of data in a compact and easy to read format. For example, the tables category stands with a large orange rectangle indicating high sale 206,966 but negative profit negative 70,725. The copiers category has moderated size rectangles but it is dark blue, showing moderated sales 149,528 and high profit 55,618. This indicates a high profit margin, meaning the business make a good profit on each copier sold. The supplies category are small and beige, showing low sale for 46,674 and low profit negative 1,189. This category doesn't contribute much to the company overall performance. This tree map provides a clear visual summary of how different product categories are performing in terms of sale and profit. Thank you.
Visual 7 is a bubble chart graph. When displaying high-level comparison between members of a field, a bubble chart is a handy visual aid. The size of the bubbles in any bubble chart represent the values of the members or categories inside a field. Data is shown in bubble chart as a collection of circles. A circle is presented by each value in the dimension field, and the size of those circles is presented by the values of measure. As we can see above in the bubble chart graph, the highest sort of profit of the cell is the copier, that is 55,618. The data followed by the second highest total profit of the cells, that is the phones, indicating strong demands in the margins. The lowest total profit of the cells is the table, that is negative 17,725. However, the items also that are booked cases, and supplies show negative profits indicating underperformance. This can inform strategic decision-making, such as allocating resources to high-profit categories, investigating loss-making products, and optimizing the product mix to maximize profitability. The insight from this chart can help the company make informed decisions.
The sales data dashboard presents a multifaceted view of the company's performance across various regions, categories, and years. It encompasses 3D state visualization, a donut chart, a three-mode chart, and a scatter plot chart. The donut chart provides a clear representation of the distribution of total sales across different regions. The regions include Central, East, South, and West, with a cumulative sales figure amounting to 297,201. The West region emerged as the leader with the highest sales, total 725,489. This is followed by the Central region with sales of 601,240, the East with 678,781, and the South with 391,722. The color coding within the three-mark chart is a critical feature where darker colors indicate higher profits and lighter colors suggest lower profits or loss. For instance, points within the technology category not only show high sales but also substantial profits. Conversely, tables and bookcases, despite their high sales, may exhibit lower or even negative profits. The scatter plot chart offers an analytical perspective on the relationship between discounts and sales across different years, specifically 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. The x-axis represents the discount given, while the y-axis denotes the sales achieved. Each year's data points are distinguished by different shapes, and the linear regression lines for each year illustrate the trend of sales as influenced by discounts. The dashboard effectively highlights regional performance, category-wise sales and profits, and the impact of discounts on sales. It is a valuable tool for making informed decisions to drive profitability and strategic growth.